YouTubers, what's up? So challenge to our snowstorm, New Jersey. So it is March 21st, which is the second day of spring. And it's snowing up to 12 inches and it's spring already. It's not even winter. It's a bit weird. But it's probably going to be our last snowstorm. If it's already the 21st, spring. Has to be at least the last snowstorm. If it's not, then we might even have one in the 20s or the March 30s or maybe even April. Now here we have it. Maybe even later because it's 3:14. In maybe later soon in like maybe 50 minutes, 50 minutes, I'll make a part 2 maybe. Well, we had the snow right now, pretty heavy, and it's 12 inches. March 7th was the last snowstorm, and this is going to be heavier than March 7th. It was so crazy, some power lines fell too. But our power didn't go out. Well, here we have it. If you're wondering what that was there, that's my weather station. Maybe in part 2, I'll show you my weather station if you can see it now. So, bye.